dito na ako.
Pero nabukwento siya nun, umiiyak din si Gaz nun, telling her story.
Yes.
Why? Kasi yun yung una kong tinanong sa kanya. Sabi ko, bakit babe? Kasi pag sasali ka ng pageant, hindi na siya shallow purpose
Yes.
no? You have this deeper purpose kasi
Yes.
especially you, especially us,
Yes.
we joined international pageant already. Parang mas malaking pressure. So speaking of pressure, are you pressured?
Yes, pressure is always there. Especially susundan kita. Diba?
Support.
Yung energy ko dapat nakakapi ka ng lilim ng 3 times.
Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya sa akin, babe, ano advice? Sabi ko, babe, lagi kang may baong power bank, pero yung power bank ko that unlimited.
So yun naman, this time around, maybe I think the alignment is there and the vision of the cause that I'm representing is there. So it's the fire is there, my passion I think it's gonna be a great fight for me.
Of course. And knowing na pinasabog mo ang social media.
Yeah.
For just 1 hour, ilang likes agad yung pag-upload, diba? Doon sa yung photo.
Oo nga eh.
Kamusta yung pakiramdam nun, babe? Na parang, andun pa rin pala yung support sa akin.
Nakakataba ng puso that even if I kind of didn't do well with my last pageant stint, people are still.
You did your best.
I did actually. It was just not my home court advantage. Technically, it was very cold in Atlanta, Georgia. And nanginginig ako, parang yung goosebumps ko nga, chicken skin na ako everywhere, hindi nyo lang kasi sa TV. Oo. Alam mo naman, as a tropical girl, as an island girl from Cebu, Talisay, Cebu! So, nanginginig talaga ako doon. Tapos, that day, nagkasakit ako that day. So I feel like Samantha Bernardo that day. Di ba si Samantha Binibinis. Actually guys, Samantha had a fever that day.
During
Compete siya.
2019.
So pero sa akin naman, anyways, bowel movement. So it was really hard for me to be, yes, sa mga kumakain.
Very good.
So para akong narag talaga that time. So this time, it's gonna be in Thailand. And I love Thailand as a country. And we have really similar culture and values. So this time around, I think it's gonna be great. Yeah.
Nakailang beses ka na rin punta sa Thailand?
Naka-4 na ako, babe.
So, if ever ito, pang 5 mo na.
And I love durian, I love mango sticky rice. Actually, in fact, delicacy namin yan sa Cebu.
Yes.
Diba?
Hindi
Gusto
nagkakalayo.
Oo.
Yes.
So, it's gonna be a home away from home.
What do you expect naman from this pageant?
I'm gonna
or
expect
this
the grandest stage because,
Babe, sinasabi ko sa'yo pag-enjoy ka, promise.
yes, I know. Kasi nung Miss Universe ko, hindi siya sobrang haba ng nilalakaran namin ng rampa. Para lang siyang super short lang and nadudulas pa yung mga nagra-rampa before me ha sa swimsuit. So ako naman parang naka-slide na sila, diba? So yung mga beads nasa floor na, yung oil nag-scatter na. So for me, parang inalaban ko ba to? Or baka mas like ako, wag naman
Doon
siya.
ba tayo sa saves?
Oo.
Or
So nagpa-play safe na lang ako that time. Hindi ko muna masyadong nilabas. Sabi ko sa finals night na lang. Eh hindi nakarampas pa.
sabi mo, ano
Wag Tapos yung mga na-slide, naka-top 10 sila. Sabi ko, kung alam ko lang nag-dive ako sa diba? Parang, here I come!
So may natutunan ka doon?
Yes, go lang na go. Bahala na ma-slide ka, basta it's a matter of how you get back up.
Oh, yeah.
So, alam nyo na.
Alam mo, wag naman sana, hindi namin yung pag-prepare. But alam naman namin, ibibigay mo yung best mo. And promise ko sa'yo, their production, not because I am MGI, it's because the experience I had there. Grabe the production, the organizers, lahat, babe. Ang sarap, especially sa Thailand pagkakalapit.
Right.
Ibang klase experience.
Exciting.
Ang ma-experience. Yes, mararanasan. In your journey naman, what lessons about womanhood changed you the most? Especially ano na tayo ngayon, March, which is Women's Month.
what experience of woman
Yes. What lessons about womanhood change you the most? Ano sa tingin mo yung mga experience mo bilang babae talaga nakapagpaiba sa'yo?
Siguro by thinking that you are not limited to one title. I really believe that you can evolve to a person. There are phases of your life that will bloom that you didn't know existed and that you are capable of. So you can reinvent yourself, you can elevate yourself. It's an evolution of phases. So for me, if you really think that you can achieve, if it's meant for you, it will be yours.
Totoo naman. And sabi mo nga, after being in Pilipinas, you've done a lot, ang dami mong ginawa.
Yes.
And from those experiences, you gain wisdom also that you can
Yes,
share.
definitely.
Tapos mas lumalim din yung pagkakakilala mo sa sarili mo. That's why ngayon, you want to spread that message to
Yes.
people.
You are not who you were once, and your circumstances does not define you. You can be whoever you want to be.
That's true. Ito naman, so many young girls look up to you. Hindi lang young girls, pati yung mga nandito ngayon.
Thank you.
What would you tell young women naman who feel like they're not enough or who are afraid to chase big dreams? Natatakot sila kasi especially you, us, taga-probinsya tayo, minsan may takot tayo to go there sa big place, makipagsapalaran, di ba? Na parang minsan the society will tell you, that's too big, you cannot achieve that.
Right.
So anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
What would I tell them is that just try, because just by trying you've already achieved the pinnacle of your dream. Because other people doesn't even bother to try. So for me, you wouldn't know if you don't try, right? So just explore yourself. Just give yourself time. If you fail, then at least you tried, right? At least you figured it out yourself na, hindi ko pala kaya. Pero it's not,
You will learn something.
yeah, it's a lesson learned all the time. It's not a loss, but a lesson learned.
That's ang ganda nun. Ang dami natin patutunan kay Bessie.
It's learned by age.
Hindi ba 20? Huwag naman
30, 30.
Nagbinibini kami mga teen
Oh,
teenagers.
actually, when we competed Pinipini, I was 23. So, wala pa talaga ako alam sa mundo. I was just like, I'm just here existing. Actually, I was willing to join 3 times that time.
Yun yung mindset mo.
Oo, sabi ko, pag ako dito, sali ulit ako, like MJ Lastimosa, like Dia Worship. Kasi for me, the lesson learned all throughout the journey, it can be used. Diba? Like, that could be your strength and your weapon towards your future.
Diba, you became an artist also
Yes.
with this specific stage.
Yes.
So, ano naman yung mga natutunan mo doon na pwede mong dalhin sa grand stage?
Natutunan ko dun sa being a celebrity right now it's just similar to being in a pageant industry. You have to be well put up together and you have to present yourself. Pero this time naman around, I'm just happy that they're very supportive of it. Ang natutunan ko dun is the PR skills never dies. Parang you really have to enjoy and to accommodate everyone at any phases of the situation.
In fairness mo, wala din talagang pagkakaiba yun. Siguro, matutunan mo doon more on discipline din sa time, di ba?
Yes, and then sa taping, you have to really wait for your line, kunyari, nasa first ka, na set, and then nasa gabi ka pa. So maghihintay ka ng long hours for you to be able to capture.
Patience.
Oo, patience talaga. So yun yung pagkakamali ko. Hindi ako nagdala ng taping chair.
So,
During
saan
that
ka
time.
Nasa sulong ka ulit.
Buti na lang si Shubi, meron siyang extra. So pinahiram niya ako ng taping chair. So sabi ko, buti na lang talaga, Bisaya din si Shubi. So doon kami nagkakilala ni Shubi before pa siya pumunta ng PTC. So sabi ko, kailangan pala ng taping chair dito.
Kasi first time mo yun.
Oo, so yun. Tapos malalayo yung mga lugar talaga. So it's gonna be really hard for you if you don't have patience.
dami naman madadala din sa grand stage and kailangan.
Yes.
So this time, we will open this platform to the fans that are here supporting us. And limit lang yung question ha, more on
Career.
Oo, career, yun, personal, lessons, ayan. And ang pagsali ni Gazini sa Grand All-Star, meron ba kayong mga katanungan po? Ayan. Tahimik sila.
Any
Nagkami na ba lahat?
Any violent reaction?
Meron. Hindi tayo-tayo lang kung wala namang nanonood na iba.
Meron, babe.
Ah, meron ba? Ang sabayanan. Meron.
Sige, magbisaya lang. Saman.
Kung saman. From Amabel family.
Hi, Amabel family.
That will support you also.
Please.
Magbisaya na lang ako.
Sige, magbisaya na lang. Nakaanag rin ako.
Ready ba yun siya?
Kasi sumasali din ako minsan sa barangayan sa
Perfect.
barangay na. Pero na-inspired ako, like, nung pag-post ko ng picture, like, naalala ko din kay Ate Emma nga, never give up on your dream. And then yung question ko is, unsa ang imuhang unsa imuhang sa beauty queen, unsa imong mahabilin sa ilaha nga ilang matatakita mo?
Please translate.
What should I give as advice for them that would stick to their mind?
Okay. And heart.
And heart, yes. And soul.
Pag-set na natin.
Sabi sa inyo, huwag na kami ipagsasama talaga. Eto mga
Diba?
pa si Joy.
So, for me, prepare for the long nights and early days. It really takes a lot of effort to be an inspiration. It's not easy to be in the spotlight. You really have to lead the way for them. That it requires discipline, effort, and dedication if you really want to achieve your dream. It will pay off everything that you reap, you sow. So yun, parang, and have the faith. Because that, when you put God in the center of your dream, you will, if you lose, you still win because you have Him. You have Him with you.
And He will guide you.
Yes.
As long as
At
you
least
have this
the
strong
guidance.
foundation.
Yes. So whatever other people say, as long as you know yourself and that you know your truth and you have the faith, everything else will follow.
Salamat ka, Ayo.
Laban, waka, yes.
Meron pa po. Thank you from Amabel family. Bumiyahe pa yan po ha.
Hoy,
From
support
Cebu.
niyo ako ha.
Kaya dati lang yung flight ko.
Oh.
Saan? Tama?
From Cebu to Pampanga.
Sa province kasi sa amin.
Asa man?
Sa pinamukhaan.
Mo ba? Oo, nakatun ako sa una. Oo. Layo,
Lagi, gabi ako.
Kaya sa kauli. Wala pa ko kauli.
Wala.
Oo, mga 5 months na.
19.
Kasi US siya, di ba? Ngayon, nasa Manila siya ngayon.
Ah, si Tita.
Nakauwi na siya, babe.
Mother.
Yes. Nagulat din yun. Sabi niya, huwag ka nang sumali sa... Hindi, kailangan ko talaga to. Ilabas.
Totoo naman.
I'm having the itch. Ito na yung itch. Ayun.
Sweet din ni Mom ni Gazini. Siguro.
Sabi niya, huwag na ako sumali, pero ngayon nagre-repost siya ng...
I saw it.
Ano ba yan? Wow.
Kunyari lang yun. Pero kunyari may pagtigil mo.
Tapos, from the night na in-announce, naka-Facebook. Tapos, from the morning, naka-Facebook pa rin. Sabi ko, wow! Ayaw ko sa Ayun. So, I'm happy naman for the support. Thank you guys.
Next, meron pa po ba na question? Ay, wait lang, before you will ask your question, pwede rin tayo kumuha ng questions from our viewers
Yes.
sa Blue account and sa TikTok. So, pwede po kayong maglagay ng comments. Nanonood ako ng live, guys. Sana naririnig yun ng clear. Anyway, next question is from Melvin.
Meron talaga tayong filter.
Hashtag,
Alder Gazini from Alder Gazini. And another hashtag, Grand Gazini Grand Nanos.
okay, next.
Hintay ko yung Alder Emma. Okay. Next question.
Next question po. From,
Kurt po. Hello po.
Hi!
ang cute ni Kurt.
Thank you po. If ever po, if there's any chance po, may kakilala na po kayo na makaka-compete.
Yes, si Fuchsia. Yung twinnie ko.
Ano po siya bake?
Wait na lang. Yung gown ko, yun na yun. Yes. oo.
Ano daw, kumusta naman?
It's nice to have some, kasi tayo pag nagko-compete tayo, di ba? Philippines alone lang eh, di ba? So wala tayong ka-chika doon, parang we feel so saturated in our dialect. Kailangan natin naman ilabas yung like pagiging Pinoy natin minsan, di ba? So at least ngayon, meron akong Bisaya queen that I could like banter with, if nami-miss ko yung Cebu, or like a home away from home, I could say. So Fuchsia is really nice, and I met her before, and I'm really excited to compete with her because like it's Cebu power, Daban, Bisaya, diba? Basta Bisaya, wow!
Wait lang ha, nasa
Adapted ka na.
Wait lang. Wait ha.
Hindi kasi si Emma before, i-adapt talaga dapat siya sa Cebu, diba?
Muntik na akong sumali ng ano yata, Talisay.
Oo.
Talisay Cebu. Hindi Talisay.
Adawe, napalapo.
I'm not sure, pero Cebu din. So,
Oo.
pinaampun na ako.
Oo, love na love siya doon ni Mama Joe. Oo. So malangit naman. I hope he's proud
For
of me.
sure.
Yes.
For sure. He's happy and proud of you. Any questions from our live audience?
Yes.
Ang cute!
Alright.
Sayang wala kayo dito.
So this is goes in terms of fan passion. So Gazini, on a scale of 1 to 10, how prepared are you for MGI All-Star?
11. But yeah, I'm still working on the things that because of course 7 years is a long time, right, for the hiatus. But right now the excitement is there. So for me, I would want to give my all as a Gazini 2.0. So eto 11. I would say 11. Oh, big question. Ayun.
Thank you.
Thank
May
you.
ako.
Okay.
Nag-prepare ka naman sa mga OOTDs mo din.
Eto na,
Nag-meeting na.
Oo, nag-meeting na.
Kasi ano na lang, no? Parang less than 2 months.
Yes.
Next po. Your name po?
Twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Star, MGI,
Star.
My question is somehow related with the previous question. What specific preparation have you done since medyo biglaan yung pag-join mo ng MGI All-Star? Hindi naman like pinag-isipan mo for a long time. So, medyo biglaan siya. What specific preparation have you done since you've mentioned na you're already 100%, 110% prepared for this competition?
The preparation I've done physically, I've been working out a lot. I've been doing mindfulness meditation because, of course, but when you're competing, you don't just have to be physically prepared. You should have the mentality of a winning mindset. So that for me is my core for now. I have not done the pasarela training yet, but I've already been doing online Q&As to prepare for me because I know that before I was an introvert. I would say I was an introvert, so I don't really share too much on the public. But since I became an artist and a celebrity, that has honed me to be more open to the public. So I am an open book right now. So I would say. Babe, walang ganyan. But yes, I am doing a Q&A session where the pasarellas are to follow.
Wow. It's gonna be...
Tatumbling ako doon, watch out.
So in fairness, yung nakalaban ko ng MG Philippines tsaka MGI, pareho may tumambling.
Talaga.
Si Chelsea sa Philippines, tapos yung pangalawa naman ay si Japan. Nang nakaswimsuit yun ha.
Talaga. Walang wardrobe makang.
Wala. Tapos may nag-boxing pa si Gigi. Hi Gigi and Anita! Okay, ano pa? Meron pa ba tayong follow-up question from our live audience? Meron pa ba? Wala na ba? So dito, sabi naman niya, dito sa ating TikTok live, sabi niya, wait lang ito kanina, why should you win this title? Very good.
Why should I win this title? It's because I am willing to learn and I am willing to give my everything in this pageant. I have a passion to represent the right cause this time.
That's true. Narinig naman natin the reason why she got back to pageant. And another question from Jazz Molina sa ating TikTok live. Another Emma Belto. What is something about you that fans would be surprised to know?
That I'm very bubbly. Before, I didn't really show that side of me because I was constricted with the limitation of being queenie, being proper, prim and proper. But this time around, I'm just gonna play around.
Kakaiba tong experience and pageant because this is the first edition.
Yes.
People say that para meron silang sinasabi na, kamukha ba ito ng MGI, dapat ex-senadora, dapat ganito. So ikaw ba, as a representative of our country and first time na, hindi naman first time, na parang may experience mo tong first edition, ano yung maibibigay mo? And ano yung, meron ka bang kukunin na content part sa MGI na ikaw din ba yung pasabog queen na hihintayin namin?
Well, definitely the pasabog is there, but I am still experimenting the pasabogs that I will show. So I myself, I'm still preparing for it. So magkagulatan na lang tayo.
Yun naman din talaga ang gusto. Kasi tayong lahat di natin alam ano bang hinahanap ni MGI All-Star. Pero for me, ikaw yun.
Wow!
Papanawan! Praying. Kasi syempre marami na rin naman kami pinagsamahan ni Gaz. It's the sisterhood that we build and I'm always here for you. And thank you so much for your time. Meron pa ba tayong additional questions before natin i-end itong ating live podcast? Meron pa? Another one.
Hi guys, same thing pa rin ba yung hawak sa'yo na umawak sa
I would say it's a collaboration of mix. Kasi this time around, I'm picking my team and the Miss Universe Philippines team, they are backing me up right now also. So I would say it's a collaborative event. Thank you.
Next po. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Ay, meron pa. Name po.
So this question po ay
Nickname.
Cyrus
Po.
Cyrus.
Cyrus.
Bali yung question po na to, galing po sa kids ko na magpapageant. So, ang tanong na po, I'm really obsessed with your performance during the Binibining Pilipinas 2019. Like it's so mesmerizing. Do you think you can bring back that level of performance in this Grand All-Star?
Well, during Binibining Pilipinas, I had so much fun because of the people I was surrounded with, like PF sisters, sila Emma. And this time around, I know that I will have fun. So definitely we will bring that back.
Yes. We're
Thank
excited
you.
to see that. Thank you. Meron pa po additional or okay na po tayo?
Who is your pasarela coach?
We are still deliberating with that. Wala pa, hindi pa ako nagpapasarela training. Pero, may cut siya sa akin actually. 70%. Okay. Yun lang.
So wala pa talaga na
Biglaan lang talaga.
Who will be your decider for your job?
bilis.
I would like to keep that private for now para may pasabog effect. May surprise effect. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, meron pa po, wala na. Wala na. Okay na. Thank you so much for being here. And my last question, because we're here at Lilip Cafe, who is your Lilip? Who is your shade? Sa lahat ng challenges mo, sa lahat ng struggles mo, sa lahat ng happy moments mo. Who is your Lilip?
Guys, my lilim would be God. Because He saved me a couple of times, even if I didn't know I could survive. So, I'm really grateful with God.
Totoo yan. Kasi alam mo, binibigyan niya ako lagi ng ganito. Nakabigay
Binigyan
ka
niya naman yan.
So, ayun, have the faith and take that leap of faith.
You'll never know kung anong meron na plan sa'yo si God. Kasi siguro yung may mga losses, di ba? May mga losses, pero hindi natin alam dun sa losses na yun. There are lessons that we need to learn. And sometimes God is just preparing us. Sabi ko nga, lagi ko sinasabi, my MGI journey is like, I learned na yung palang kwento ng not yet ko, naging finally siya. So, and it will not stop there. Yeah, I hope na kapag nakuha mo to, whatever man yung plan sa'yo ni Lord, I hope that He will give you strength para makayanan mo lahat yung nasa paligid. Thank you so much, babe! Enjoy your grand journey and your Lilip family is here to support you. Ayan, thank you also to all the people here na nag-spend ng time, mapanood kami ng live, and to all the people there watching live, saan man po kayo parte ng mundo, maraming salamat po. I'm asking for your support and for your love for my sister, Gazini Grand Natos, who will compete for MGI All-Star 2026. Thank you so much. And, of course, punta na kayo ng Lilo.
Yeah!